Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise guys. If you're having a problem with your toilet seat loosening up, let me show you an easy and inexpensive way to make a permanent fix. Let's get started. Alright, let me show you what you probably deal with is a seat that moves like that, it loosens up. And what happens is the hardware that they put on the flange down to the bowl there is all plastic, okay? And so you have plastic threads and you tighten it down as tight as you can, but you really can't get it really tight with plastic on plastic threads. And so what happens is they just over time they loosen up. Well, this one actually broke off of the toilet flange here when it goes through the bowl. It actually broke. And so what I did is I found a replacement that is steel. Even though the threads here are plastic, the bolt itself is steel. And so you can get it tighter and then you won't have that problem of loosening up. So I need to replace these anyway because this one broke. But even without that breaking, we always ended up having this thing over a period of time loosening up, and I had to keep retightening it. So that became a real nuisance. I'm gonna go ahead and get these replaced and then I'll show you the end result. But these are on Amazon. Not that expensive. I will show a link. This is all done. Seat's nice and tight. I went ahead and added an additional 3/8 washer underneath the screw head. Okay, there was a small washer, but it wasn't big enough, so I added a 3/8 washer on both of them to make sure it goes across that flange nice and snug. So we're good to go. This thing is nice and tight. We're gonna be happy. All right, I hope that helps. Have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed and that you know Him who is the author of life.